This is Steve and Jenny from StormySky Rail Productions. We're currently in Marion, Ohio, and here we are collaborating today with a fellow subscriber, and we subscribe to him too, is Pappy from Trigoglin. We're so glad that we were able to meet up with you and just enjoy the day out here at Marion and hopefully see some good trains. And if you check out his Trigoglin channel, please subscribe and watch the videos and give him a thumbs up, comment. He's got a great channel, and he also not does only model railroading stuff and N scale, but he also does the regular railroad stuff once in a while. So please check out his channel. And have anything else to say?
Oh, today's gonna be a great day, Steve. I'm glad we got to meet up here, meet you and Jenny, and gonna catch some great trains. Just have a good day.
Okay.
It's nice meeting you.
Yeah, you too. Thanks for coming.
Let's have some fun.
All right.
All right.
Steve and Jenny from StormySky Rail Productions, including Dave Nitch, who's far away, would like to thank Pappy for meeting us here at Marion, Ohio's Railroad Park to meet up and hang out and catch some trains. And what a way to finish up with a local switch job heading out. We caught a lot of good stuff today.
Man, that was great. That was very good. It's nice meeting you. Pleasure meeting you.
You too.
You guys have a safe trip. Appreciate you inviting me out.
Hopefully we can do this again.
Oh, for sure.
And then when you're up our way, contact us and we'll get you around our end.
We're definitely going to hook up again.
So,
really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
All right, make sure everybody subscribes and hit that thumbs up, comment, and also subscribe and hit the comment and hit the like button on Trigoglin's page. And this is Steve and Jenny signing out from StormySky Rail Productions in Marion, Ohio.